Welcome to the HELIX DeviceCloud demo series. In this video, we will introduce you to the features of the HELIX DeviceCloud Management Console. The Management Console is used in end-to-end IoT systems and enables you to manage IoT devices that run the HELIX DeviceCloud agent. This preview version of the Management Console is available for you to explore and become familiar with its features and its layout. If you want to try the features shown in this video, or explore it on your own afterwards, you will need a device running the agent to be registered on HELIX DeviceCloud. You can access the Management Console in your browser. To begin, you're going to need the tenant name and the tenant username that you received in your welcome email. You'll also need your chosen password. Now, when you first log in, you start on the Dashboard Devices page in the list view, and all devices that have ever been registered with the system appear in this list. You can see that all the devices with the green check marks are highlighted. Now, to find a specific device, you're going to need either its network MAC address or its device ID. Let's search for a specific device based on the last 4 digits of its MAC address. Okay, we found it. You can position this device on the console map view and edit its basic properties. You see, depending on your IoT system, you may find it helpful to identify the location of your devices. So, let's put the device on the map and give it a user-friendly name. Let's explore the device details now. Here we can see information about the device properties, the telemetry data that the device has generated, and the actions that have been executed so far on the device. Actions are like remote commands that you can execute on devices. Each device has a set of standard actions, and it also has a set of custom device-specific actions that you can execute on it. You can also remotely update the device software. Now, all devices start in a disabled state, which means that they can't transmit telemetry, and a limited set of actions are available. You'll notice that only a few actions are listed in the custom actions list. Let's enable our device. You'll notice we get an action execution notification in the upper right corner of the page, and now you'll find that a new list of custom actions are available. The action test is in our list. So let's run it. Again, you see the action execution notification in the upper right corner, and you can see the result of the action in the log. Now, this device runs a telemetry application that transmits 2 metrics, light and temperature. When we enabled it, the device started transmitting data. So let's look at the telemetry values that the device has transmitted. If this device has transmitted telemetry at any time, you can see it in both graphical and list format. Both historical values and current values appear in the list. Now that we've seen what you can do to manage a device, let's look at how you can automate some management activities. You can create rules that trigger different types of actions based on telemetry values or device properties, and rules apply to specific devices. We've created this rule, which causes an alert called Demo1 Temp Too High, based on the telemetry data from sudo temp, which indicates that the device temperature is too high. The alert that's created appears in the alerts list. Now that you're familiar with the features of the HELIX DeviceCloud Management Console, you're ready to start exploring it on your own. For example, you can try remotely logging into a device and transferring files to and from it. You can find tutorials for the Management Console and other HELIX DeviceCloud documentation on the WinRiver Knowledge Library. Please check out the other presentations in this series, and thanks for watching.